If you're seeing a message such as unusual activity detected from ElevenLabs, it usually means their system has flagged your account or API usage for potentially automated, excessive, or suspicious behavior. Now, so there's a lot of reasons that you might see this error. It's because the main cause is going to be high usage in a short amount of time. So, for example, you're doing the text to speech and you generate speech. Just for example, you just have a script that just continuously generates the speech. It's going to put a lot of stress on ElevenLabs' backend, and they're going to hit you with that unusual activity detected because they don't want all that usage. Now, if you are using the API, which a lot of people are going to use the API and are going to experience that unusual activity detected from ElevenLabs, they it is mostly with the free plan because they want to limit the free plan because they don't want people just creating new accounts and abusing their generous free tier. So to combat that, you could either add in some delays so you're not rapid firing generations to the API, or upgrade to a paid plan, which I believe removes the unusual activity detected because you're actually paying for your usage.